Okay, let's try again. Hopefully this time we'll go live. Come on, YouTube. You can do better. Hey there, everyone. Hitesh here, and this is my attempt three to go live. I don't know what's wrong with the YouTube on every single Saturday. Perhaps I picked up a wrong day for going live because, yeah, YouTube. Come on, you can do better than that, YouTube. So, hi, Prahlad. Hopefully, I am live this time. I'm trying. This is my third attempt to go live. Looks like you and me, just Prahlad. So Prahlad the Lord. That's a nice name, by the way. And looks like I'm not sure if even I'm live again or not. This is like ridiculously bad. Come on, you can do better than that, Facebook. At least send people notification that yeah, I'm live. Come on, YouTube, don't do that. You are live. Thank you so much for showing up, people. Thank you so much, Zeal. Thank you so much, Rahul, for joining up. Gaurav, Atikur, Deepa, Sahil Patel, Naresh Kumar Meena, Shiv Kumar. Hey guys, how are you? This is my third attempt for going live. And looks like finally YouTube listened to me and is sending notification to all of you that yes, we are live again on Saturday Talk. Just about any random thing that you really want to ask, and I'm going to pick up your question. You can ask me whatever you like, and we are going to do kind of a Q&A session. I am on time. I am on time too as well. Thank you so much, Ajit. And yeah, let's start. And of course, how we can forget, this live stream is powered by Ice Tea. Please do it for at least 1 hour. I'm looking forward for doing the live session for 1 hour. As of now, we are on a schedule. We will be going for 30 minutes. It's actually very precise, content manner, rewatchable, and a lot of things. So yeah, I'll try. And in case you are not aware of that, we have recently released a new open source kind of a tool, which is uicolorpicker.com, absolutely free. Your background looks a little dull. Don't mind. If the background is dull, we surely can change that. It's not a big deal. We can move on to this background, which might look a little bit better. Surely, if you think, yeah, background changed. It was easy. How to apply for abroad internship? Abroad internship are not that much easy to crack, and honestly, but it's surely doable. They require you to have a strong portfolio, and for Indians, countries like Singapore, Malaysia, these are pretty easy to crack down, and you surely can do that. Thanks, much better. Yeah, I always listen to you. Thank you so much. So tell me about okay, and tutorial for Firebase in Laravel. Uh, I'm not sure tutorials using Firebase and Laravel will come out anytime soon. It's not in our list as of now. We are following strictly. Hey, there's a comment by Shashikant. Ice tea equals love. Yes, for sure. Yes, for sure. Without ice tea, how can I start? Neerav's creation. Hello, sir. Thank you for helping us. Always my pleasure. And again, I'm going to be saying it again and again during the live stream. In case you haven't watched our new tool, which is uicolorpicker.com, just go ahead. It's a simple way of picking up the most perfect color that you can have. It's not having plethora of colors, just some selected one, which I'm pretty sure are going to look absolutely awesome in your new app, whether that's on Android, iOS, or web. Just go ahead, pick that up. Just click on it, and it's copied. Arun Manitesh. Hi guys. How are you? Okay, so should I go for CSE or BCA? I'm from an engineering branch, so I always usually prefer engineering as compared to BCA. But it's not like you're going to learn tons of much greater things in engineering and less in BCA. It's not. You're not going to learn much in both of them. Gray T-shirt. Yes, that's gray. That's always gray. There's no surprise element there. Okay, so hello Hitesh. Hi Pooja Chavan. Tell about Flutter. Flutter, I can tell you that there is an amazing series going on at my YouTube channel on Flutter. Surely you might want to check that out. It's surely a very slowly going series, but it's just a part-time series. It's not I'm doing something as a full-time or something. So it's just like that. Electron JS course at LCO. Yes, it's gonna come up soon, but not like really soon, not in the couple of months. But surely we are looking forward because Electron has got plenty of potential. we really want to use that potential. So Bindu says, "Why you always gray T-shirts, sir? It looks pretty good, you know. That suits me, kind of. Yeah, don't you like that?" So, what is the future of data science? Don't you see the buzzword around? All machine learning, AI, everything is it's got a huge future. So, okay, so I hacked the LCO live to a show using the power of artificial intelligence. That's a boy. You got it. You got it, man. Abhishek, thank you so much for super chat. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you so much, Bindu. Thank you so much. Any alternative to Java? Yes, of course. There are plethora. There is OpenJDK, which is technically Java, but yeah. What surprised me a lot is when I say Java 11 is getting paid, a lot of people got mad at me, but I said nothing wrong. It's definitely going paid. And then suddenly there was a lot of discussion saying, why are you why are you showing misinformation there? OpenJDK is free. Listen, my friends. OpenJDK was free from years. Nobody gave a single flying F about it. It was free from years. Nobody talked about it. So why suddenly a rise and love about OpenJDK? From years, the whole pattern was just go to Oracle website, download the JDK, use it in production, no problem at all. This is how things were going on. And I said this inertia can be dangerous, and that's what I meant to say in that video. Now I know a lot of people just didn't watch the video; they just saw the title and just did that. So yeah, these things do happen. But honestly, I leave this decision to you. Go to Oracle website, look at the license, and decide whether it's paid or not. Okay, and what about OpenJDK? It was just like that from years. Nobody talked about it. So why there is a sudden love about it? And yes, regarding one very interesting question, probably I'll make a video on that, probably a Q&A. Java and Android. So Java 11 doesn't affect Android at all because Android don't use Java 11. In case you are not updated, get yourself some update. Java 11 has nothing to do with Android, so all the Android development, everything is absolutely great. No problem there at all. Okay. Oh, there's an interesting question by Zora. Zora says, "What's your monthly income?" I have never calculated that, honestly. Very honestly, I've never calculated how much money I'm making per month. It's just coming from variety of direction, and I don't have time to look back, sit back, and enjoy that this much money I'm making. Enough so that I can invest a little bit in making projects like UI Color Picker and can have a decent life. So yeah. Uh, so let's pick up a couple of more questions. Best book for Java for new. I don't think so. You're going to need much of the book after my Java bootcamp, but surely I'll recommend a few books. In fact, I'm looking forward to create a separate section at Learn Code Online about recommended books. So I'll put up a collection of books that I have read or our team has read in the past, and we would like to get that entire collection of books that we recommend on the Learn Code Online website so that it can help you. We're only going to recommend the books and things which we have used. Harley, LCO, YouTube, Ice-T, a lot more than that. Travel. You forgot travel. Shashikant, you forgot travel, man. Okay. Make Q&A every 30 day. I was trying to. How to create a JavaScript library. Probably I have to make a video on that. It's not that much hard. A library is just like a collection of your code in classes and functions. And that is written in such a way that it can be integrated with others. And that's pretty much it. It's not like a big deal. Surely anybody can write that. Nice background. Hey, thank you so much. I'm about to buy a fake flower or fake pot for this one. So it's going to look a contrasty green there at the back. We're going to do so very soon. Okay, what's the alternate for JDK for Android apps? You don't need any alternative because Android is not much dependent on Java 11, so you don't need much of the worries there. Do you remember your home language? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I am from Rajasthan, so Rajasthani people do speak Marwari, and I'm fluent in that. Very fluent in Marwari. And yes, I do speak Hindi as well, and English also. Getting weaker and weaker in Spanish, yeah, because I'm not practicing much. So waiting for your reply on FB. I'm sorry because I'm right now super busy. I'm not checking my Facebook and my Instagram much. I don't get time. Like, I haven't opened my Instagram in like few days. Facebook also, I just open it up to post a morning update, and that's it. Don't getting much time. Choose one: traveling, LCO, YouTube, iced tea. Um, as of now, iced tea. That's it. Hi from East Africa. Hey, how are you? How's it going on in East Africa? That is something I would like to travel. Please speak some Marwari. Marwari speaking skills are reserved for my offline events. Hey, by the way, I forgot to update you that I'm having a lot of upcoming. There is a sponsored question. Any new bootcamp coming like Noob to Pro in coding? It's not like noob to pro in coding. It You cannot teach coding, honestly. You can teach a particular language and can teach how to build a project, probably like teaching somebody JavaScript and PHP and teaching him to make a project on web development, Android, iOS, Python, machine learning. But you cannot teach anybody coding there. Coding and these things are just tools. So yes, definitely boot camps are going to be coming up. Not in this month. In this month, we are super busy in few updates, and you'll be seeing a lot of tools and courses, and a lot of things are going to be coming up. So this month is going to be busy, and after that, we are going to be starting some of the boot camps. One, we are planning massive one. It's under the plan. It's not like yet fixed and stuff, but it's going to surely happen. Will be in December. It's going to be on Python and machine learning. And yes, of course, 18 seats. That's it. Not even 19. We're going to be strictly following that. So as I was saying, this was a super chat. So yes, there will be for your super chat. Yes, there will be a boot camp in December. We will be opening up the registrations very soon, and of course, just 18 seats. Okay, so I forgot to update a lot of you that I will be traveling this month in variety of universities. I've already got my tickets and will be traveling to them. Now, some of the universities have said that you can make an open announcement for that. Some has said that, no, you cannot make any announcement. We just want you to come at university, silently talk to our students, teach them something, and then just fly back. No hush hush. So we will be doing that. But good part is I am traveling to one very amazing university in Chandigarh. So all the people who are in the northern part of India, I think Chandigarh would be the centerish part for you, and we all can have like a small meetup thing. It's going to be a big talk. More than 500, 600 students, or probably 1,000 students are going to be joining up there. And I will be freely roaming around in the campus. We'll be talking to you about getting more opportunities, how to get started, and tons of things will be there. And hopefully the talk is going to be free for internal students. I'm not sure whether they'll be charging for outside or not. But yeah, I'm coming to northern part of India as well this time. So let's pick up more question. Thank you for replying all of questions. Love you. Hey, thank you so much. Your questions are amazing. I just spotted them there. Okay, so it's going really fast. Sometimes it's so hard to look at, and you guys are not even pressing the like button. How come is that? Come on, guys. Nope, nope, nope. We're not going to be moving further until you hit that like button. Oh, man, come on. You can do this much. You can hit that like button at least. Come on, guys. I'm waiting. Mayank says, where in Chandigarh? I guess near Patiala. I have to ask the coordinators and everybody that can I reveal this publicly so that other people can come up. Once they give me a green flag that, hey, go ahead, you can do so, then only, because I have to respect their privacy as well, that whether they want to have it or not, or something like that. Come on, guys, you can hit that like button. Manish, thank you so much for super chat. I really appreciate that. Okay. It's just okay. Super chat there, sir. How to develop Chrome plugin? Chrome plugin. I surely can make a short video about developing a Chrome plugin where I can walk you through for some of the websites that are pretty good, including UI color picker, and we can make a simple bookmark-ish Chrome plugin. And it's actually really simple to design. It's not that much hard, and we can probably design it in a YouTube video. So I'll try to make a video on that. Okay, so Hitesh sir on strike. No, I'm not a strike. Yeah, it was small strike, not that much big. But you guys are not still, you know, come on, man. Don't put me on strike. Come on, people. You can just hit that like button. Surely. Any free app development series? Flutter is almost free-ish. Please tell something about freelancing. Shivam Chabra, thank you so much for super chat. Freelancing requires basically two main things. One can be rude to you, a lot of you, but it had to be there. So the easy one is portfolio, because freelancing is like you're pitching somebody. Somebody posts a requirement and you're pitching to him. The important part is portfolio. So create a few portfolio. Let's just say you're pitching somebody for Android app development. Then you should have like 6 or 7 big apps, like a food delivery app, some bus reservation system fictitious app, and a couple of more with beautiful design element. And you can showcase that I have made these 12 or 20 apps. They all look beautiful. Then I can surely do this for you. Thank you so much, Neerav Creation. This is for your work. World's best teacher, best work. Thank you so much. This is really kind thing from your side. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. I'll keep doing it. I'll try to give my best and even work harder than that. So that's the first thing that you have to do in the freelancing thing. Prepare a portfolio and just put your bid according what people are asking. They are not just looking forward for a pre-built template. Don't do that. That's like rubbish thing. Manish, thank you so much for super chat again. So yeah, please don't do that. Don't copy paste your bidding just like that. And the most important thing is uh, your speaking skills. I know it can be offensive for somebody and some people, but people are coming up from variety of different countries, and usually on the freelancer, people who give the projects are sometimes a little bit old and sometimes comes up from Western countries, mostly from that. So they require you to have good skills. The better the communication skills you have, the more chances that they will be able to say what they exactly want to say to you. You'll be able to grab it properly, finish the project on time. So communication skills are the most important part when you want to grab a project from freelancing. That's the thing. Portfolio comes after that. First, your interaction. That should be absolutely amazing. Otherwise, people are not going to be starting even conversation with you. So please, um, that's the truth. Yeah, you can be proud on your mother tongue. You can be proud. I can be proud on my Marwari skills. But when I speak Marwari to a Western country who is about to give me $1,000 on working on a project, he's not going to give me. Honestly, that's the truth. That's the truth, like it or not. So yeah, focus a lot on this is the market demand. Yeah. Okay, Ayush, there's an interesting question by Ayush Jaiswal. It says Hostgator versus GoDaddy. I don't like honestly GoDaddy much. Probably they can sponsor my videos. I love them there at that part. But yeah, I usually prefer Hostgator. You can also look for Flywheel Locale, which is pretty good. But yeah, HostGator, sometimes they go really mad, HostGator guys. But yeah, compared to GoDaddy, GoDaddy is so expensive, so expensive. Yeah. Is MySQL good? MySQL is not only good, it's awesome. It's amazing. MySQL, no words about it. It's always good. It was always good. It is good. It will be good. Hey guys, you forgot to hit that like button. That's why I stopped there. You forgot that. Okay, so Firebase versus Parse. Starting you can do with the Firebase, but if you know your app is going to invite like probably 2,000, 5,000 people, then it's better to have a Parse in your own AWS server. It's going to cost you less, but you have to manage your own functionality in that case. So Parse and Firebase, they all are good. It about what is your budget, and surely Firebase is expensive in that case. Okay, so what to learn? Just switch on to learncodeonline.in. There's plethora of things that you can learn. Okay, so are you planning for boot camps in states like Hyderabad and Bangalore? Thank you. As of now, we are not planning, but yes, we are getting in touch with some of the universities to host boot camps, like 10 days boot camps, rigorous one. It's going to be tough. Its survival is going to be tough. We are absolutely strict in that. We just kills everything inside you and just beat you out in those boot camp, not literally, of course, but we force you a lot. There's a lot of pressure in those boot camps. You just whole day code. We pressurize you to work even after the boot camp as well. But trust me, when you leave the boot camp campus, it's all good because we force you to make like 5 or 6 apps in just 10 days or something. It's not easy. It's not easy, honestly, but we like to do it that way because once a student just get out of that pressure, he feels so good that I was able to make this much of the app in just like 10 days. This is crazy. So that's how we go. And yes, we are planning for Hyderabad and Bangalore as well. uh, First, we are looking forward with, we are getting some tie-ups and calls from IITs as well. So probably these are going to be the first one where we'll be hosting these boot camps and stuff. And of course, my favorite IIT, IIT Bombay already has invited me probably 2 times already. I'll look for their invitation very soon. It was busy stuff. It was busy day. So yeah, we will be doing that. Yeah. Muhammad Ishaq says, awesome, UI color picker applied in my web project. Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. Use that as much as you can. Any boot camps in Chennai? I think the first is going to happen in Kerala. We are almost about to finish that deal up, but it's a deal thing. Sometimes you have to negotiate with college authorities and all of that. Yeah, it's business stuff. So love from Bangalore, Nikhil. Thank you so much, Nikhil. Thank you so much. By the way, nice pinks. You got it. So any boot camp in Pune? Not as of now. Pune, we haven't got an invite from Pune as of now. Yes, I can see Kolkata, Madhya Pradesh. A lot of people are inviting us for the boot camp. But the problem is our boot camp are top notch and we cannot just send anybody to teach those boot camps. The instructors get trained here under my personal guidance, first of all, and then we send them out to work on these boot camps. And then I have to visit regularly, time to time. And we have to make it top notch. We either don't do it, and when we do it absolutely perfect. Otherwise, we just don't do it. We just don't do it. So that's how we go to, oh, my Dropbox is syncing there, so might lag the video a little bit. Hey guys, you forgot to hit that like button again. Come on, guys. Uh, yeah. Career in Flutter. Let me tell you this. Flutter is amazing tech, obviously, but there are not that much of opportunities right now in Flutter as compared to native Android, as compared to React Native, because they are pretty much solid in the industry. Yes, of course, it's a great tech. I don't disagree with that. But right now, the market demand, as a matter of fact, joining the job, it can be a little bit tricky as of now. Future obviously is going to change, but yeah. Okay, so Mumbai boot camp. Probably we're going to host that very soon. Love from Kerala. Hey, thank you so much. Hope your state is good now, in a good condition. Sir, your recent videos is of next quality. Thank you so much. All thanks to this new amazing studio that we are having here. We are building up a new quality audio, video. Everything should be good now. US bootcamp. Yes, there is a bootcamp in USA, which is already planned up. I probably will be visiting in the very first week of this year. And yeah, it's US bootcamp is already there. But if you really want to have it, hit me on the email, because I think we are just short of like 2 or 3 seats right now. It's already filled up, and it's a rigorous one. We're having like 4 hours of the class in the morning and then 4 hours of the class in the evening time. So it's total 8 hours of classes early in the morning, then in the evening. So yes, in the US, we are having it. Do you come to Punjab? Arjit, in case you are not aware of that, I have visited Punjab from my bike, Harley, from Jaipur to directly to Punjab. So I have visited Punjab quite a number of times with my Harley as well. And surely upcoming some plans are there. I'm getting invites from universities. I'm planning to just say yes to a lot of them. When you come to Pakistan, as soon as you invite me, surely I'm going to have some issues with my US visa, but yeah, a lot of invite. Okay, so Pakistan, yeah, we have a lot of viewers from Pakistan. In fact, a lot of learners are from Pakistan. Probably more than 20,000 registered are from Pakistan. So yeah, technology love is there too. Do you come to Delhi NCR? If you'll invite me, So please visit Allahabad too with your Harley. Allahabad, the roads are not that much good in that side of area. Uh, just being honest. That's what I like. Hey guys, you again forgot to hit that like. I am from Mount Abu. Have you visited? Yes, of course. I have visited Mount Abu for a few hours only. Like I visited the lake part and all that. It was very, very cold. I visited Mount Abu in like the month of probably November or December. Extreme cold, extreme cold. Did you purchase iPhone X? No, I'm skipping that one until unless they're not getting rid of the notch. I'm just avoiding the iPhone. Once you get rid of notch, I surely can buy. Nice background. Thank you. Thank you so much. Your views on Android development. Android development is pretty rock solid. In fact, we are not doing that much of the client work still. Almost every next day, we are getting a call at our office that, hey, can you build this much of the app for this client? Can you build this app? Can you build that app? It's almost every next day, and we are mostly handovering that kind of projects to our interns. So yeah, which language should I go for freelance? Sorry. For the freelancing, there are two options which I would recommend. The first one is the PHP pathway, which goes through the WordPress. But let me tell you that there is a strong competition there, and a lot of people are going to crush you there. But it's surely doable. It's not like big people are there. You should not do that. There are lots of plethora of YouTubers who are bigger than me when I got started, but still I'm doing it. So yes, one path is with the PHP and the WordPress. That is pretty good if you know how to design your own plugins and themes. You can absolutely crush most of them. And the another one is the Android way. And Android is pretty easy. The bits are not that much high. Usually like 5 or 10 bits are there, just that much on Android. And the money is good. On the WordPress side, it's just like $400 for a project, simple website. And in the Android side, it just gets started with $800 or $1,000 for basic apps. So Android is pretty rock solid there. Any bootcamp in Goa? Hey man, hey, this is a I don't think so. I'm gonna be able to take any boot camp in Goa because I usually go to relax in Goa. I usually stay in the northern part, the upper northern part of the Goa. My favorite beaches are Vagator beaches, Vagator, you call that like, and Arambol. Still, I stay on the Arambol beach quite a lot. Probably if you visit that beaches, you can find me there quite a lot. So Goa is a place where I would not be able to take much of the boot camps. It's just a fun place. By the way, it's my favorite destination in the entire world. And yes, I have visited Santorini, Mykonos, all those amazing Italian beaches. But still, Goa is like the most beautiful place. Okay. Why Node.js isn't that popular in India? Who said it's not popular? Just visit Bangalore side, Hyderabad side. Almost all the startups are just rocking it with the Node.js. So I don't know why you are saying it's not that much popular. I know, and I personally know like 12 or 13 startups in this year only that are totally on Node.js. So I don't think so. Probably we can take like 2 or 3 more questions because we are already on 28 minutes. So let's just pick up a couple of more questions. Uh, Final year project suggestions. What domain you are working on? Like, are you working on web, or probably if you're on a web, you can design SSO, single sign-on. And if you're on Android, probably of there are hundreds of apps that you can design, probably with Instagram clone or something like that. Okay. MacBook Pro 13 for all type of programming. Yes, in fact, we are going live, in fact, from the MacBook Pro, just the webcam of MacBook Pro. I love MacBook Pro. Apple still, I know Apple sucks on the iPhone, and I openly say that. It's just doing absolutely bizarre thing with their iPhones, but still, their MacBook and their iMac is still one of the rock solid machine that I've ever seen. Whenever I open that machine, I work there. I don't wait for updates. I don't wait for lagging. I don't wait for crashing or anything like in Windows. I just work. And that's the only thing I like about that. It just works. And I like my machines like that. Do you admire entrepreneurship? Um, it's like debatable question. I don't know what actually is entrepreneurship. Is it about just getting your own money? Then surely it is. But if it is about employing other people as well, I'm not pretty sure. I'm still trying to get the habit of being a team player. It's not that much easy for me, but I don't have what exactly is the definition of entrepreneurship. It's very vague for me. So yeah, it's like, yeah, I'm not pretty sure I can make a comment on entrepreneurship as of now. I have still the lines where it smudges out. So yeah. So how to get training from your institute? You can visit the beautiful pink city, Jaipur, anytime, and you can enroll in our courses. But make sure you get a call first because we don't host the trainings every single month. We have all of our internal things and things going on like that. So I think we are almost. Hey, Ritikja, thank you. Shout out to you. I don't know why, but you asked it. Okay, so I think that's it. We have done our 30 minutes live, and we are going to surely catch up in the next live, which is going to happen on Saturday at 9 o'clock. And I think that's it. And I have a lot more update. We'll be releasing few more tools, few more apps as well. So stay tuned. This month is going to be pretty amazing, and we can surely work on that. So good night. And I know you are not going to be sleeping. You'll be writing some amazing code. If you create something amazing and awesome, don't forget to hit a mail to me. I would love to see that. No matter what your learning resource is, just keep on rocking. And yes, of course, keep drinking the iced tea. That's it. Bye-bye. And take care. Take care. Love you all, guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for your support. I'm really thankful from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.